What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Roblox Studio on your Mac. To install Roblox Studio, open up your preferred browser and navigate to create.roblox.com. Here, you should already find the download button to download the Roblox Studio installer. Click download and find the downloaded robloxstudio.dmg file in your downloads folder. Double-click the file and then double-click the Roblox Studio icon on this window. You might be prompted if you're sure to open the downloaded file. Simply click Open. Next, you'll have to wait a minute for the installer to download and install all Roblox Studio files. When the installation is complete, Roblox Studio will launch for the first time. You'll be asked to log in with your Roblox account. Simply clicking Login via browser will allow you to log in instantly if you were previously logged in on your browser. Next, you might be asked to update the app, but you can skip this step for now if you like. You can then create a new experience, see your past creations and browse templates. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.